Alright guys, since we had a bad auto feed, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and pull it out. This will get the video done. So I did get through a couple copies already. Throw those off to the side. I put too many in the back, trying to show off to you guys too quick. But yeah, if you come up right here, there's a little lever. You just push it up, just like so, and it'll pop the rest of the scanner open. This is good for cleaning it, getting the lenses clean, doing all kinds of stuff. But I'll show you guys the inside of it real quick. Super, super easy. Sometimes you got to clean the rollers, and yeah, that's how you do it. So go ahead and get this back rolling. Won't put so many in this time. And a great feature when it does do that, it kicked over here to my computer and told me, hey, you got a scan problem. Do you want to keep or discard it? And of course, I'll tell it to discard the last one. We'll pick up where we were left off, and I'll just hit continue scanning. So yeah, I'll go ahead and just press that on the computer. You could have pressed the blue button right here, but you can control everything from the computer as well. So. Yeah, this little blue light right here next to the scan button is actually Wi-Fi. Of course, I've got it hardwired in through the USB drive. My wife and I, we always throw this back and forth, so I can't always keep it hardwired into my computers. But nonetheless, it can go Wi-Fi through that. Sometimes we do have some conflicting issues since we do have so many wireless devices here. But it is great if you don't have so many. You don't have to worry about any of the cords. You can put this thing, wherever you want, and it'll just send right over to your whatever computer you want it to. Look how fast she goes, though. You could have highlighting in there. You could have any handwriting on there, and it's going to auto-detect it. Now you can tell it to scan, of course, black, white, grayscale, which is great. But nonetheless, I always keep it on auto detection. Sometimes, like I said, we have legal size. We have a lot of letter size that we burn through, and with that, obviously, I can't be going in there telling it to change legal and letter every time. I think that's so ridiculous that a lot of these scanners do that these days. So we got one more batch to go through, and I'll tell you precisely how many copies it took at the end. Yeah, while it's doing its thing, I'll read you guys a couple of the specs that they have on the internet. So they do call it a one-button searchable PDF creation, advanced paper feeding system. It does the blazing 25 pages per minute, color scanning, 50 sheets automatic document feeder, and you can scan wirelessly to a PC or Mac. Yeah, these are shoot, I bought this brand new. These were about almost $500 back in the day. Now these days you can get them used for anywhere between $200 and $250, I'm assuming. But it's worth every penny of it. If this thing ever breaks, I'm buying the exact same one again, no question. So there it is, boom, it's done. So I will kick it over here to the computer real quick. And it, of course, brings the ScanSnap, and it was 53 pages. So I was a few too many in there in the beginning, which is why it kind of got caught up. And I'll just go ahead and tell it to finish scanning. And it brings up all this stuff. You can add all kinds of other favorites here. You can do scan to folder, email, print, mobile, Google Drive, a couple other things. I just always do scan to folder. I usually just throw it on my desktop. You can name it however you want up top where it's in blue. I just usually hit save because a lot of times I got to extract each one of these individually per document. So that's why I do that. But that's the review of the ScanSnap ix500. I hope you guys like it. It's worth every penny of it. I highly suggest you go out and get one if you need any scanning capabilities. It's compact. You can push it all back together, and she's off. There it is. That's my review of the ScanSnap ix500. Hope you guys liked it. As always, feel free to comment, subscribe to us. Go ahead and watch some more videos. We pump out a video a day, so I hope you guys like it. See you guys.